Hey everyone, we are witnessing a large amount of hairstyles which are new to us, so continue to be amazed. Have your hair braided in the bottom section of the hair in a very thicker manner and pinched out the braids at the sides for boosting even more volume, and how the braid roll over to the top, making it as a bun, then extend the bun for another volume, then have it secured there by having a big black hairpin behind, and how the side section of the hair braided in a very thinner manner, but don't forget to pinch out the braids at the sides to have a loopy design. So once when you complete the braided, have the end secure with the rubber band. So at first you have to secure the two sides of the hair before braiding at the bottom. So after completing a braid, do the braid on the right section as well. So after that, make it go across each other and have it on the top of the bun we first created and have it come at the bottom and secure it there by having a lovely hairpin. Grab the hair from the sides and tie the middle with the rubber band and make a twisted band by dropping the tail into it and split the remaining hair into three, and with the left section make three ponytails out of it and have another rubber band attach the bottom middle part and make a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it. Repeat the same for the first two as well. So after completing that, drop each of its tail on the opposite direction on the loop by having it placed between each other. Then after that, with the hair totally on the other side, have it combed and have it split them into three parts and braid it in a thicker manner, but those braids should look close to each other. So once when you complete the braid, have the end with the rubber band and bend it over and have it go across onto the left position and have it secured there in the middle one as well as the tip with the rubber band and have it secured with a hairpin. Tie your hair in the middle and make a twisted band by dropping the tail into it and have it hinged on the twist as well as the top section of the hair as well. Then after doing that, split the remaining hair into two along with the tail and have it split into three parts. And you know what to do. Start braiding it in a very thicker manner. So once when you complete the braid, have the braids tip secure with the rubber band and pinch the braids on the sides for boosting even more volume. Do the same for the braid on the right side as well. And after completing the braid, after folding it to half and have it secure on the top position by having your favorite hair clutches of your choice, and do the same for the right side of the braid as well and have some more hair clutches on the random part of the braid, making it even more beautiful. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle with the rubber band and drop it inside, making a twisted band again. Then have some hair from the bottom section of the left side and drop it inside the loop. Then continue doing it by making it place across each other and have it three times. Then with the remaining hair on the other side which we dropped, have it braided in a very thicker manner by grabbing three parts. Then after that, secure the end with the rubber band and move it to the top on the opposite direction and have it secured there by having a hairpin. Then drop in your lovely hairpin collections and have it secured there. Grab your hair from the sides and tie it in the middle with the rubber band and have another rubber band attach the bottom middle part and make a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it and have the entire back section come in front. Then with the remaining hair we have, split them into two and start braiding in a thicker manner. So braid two of them and have it go onto its respective direction and have it secured there with hairpin and have your hair clutcher in the center. Have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher on your hair and grab a left side of the middle section on the top and twist it and have it in the second clutcher. Do the same on the right side of the top section as well. Then grab some hair below the left section we had and twist it and have it in the first one and do the same for the right one on the third clutcher. Thank you guys for watching this video.